Sometimes things can get out of control. That's why engineers like us have always dreamt about having a control. A control over power. A solution which not only reduces efforts but also maximizes productivity. A combination where efforts are less and rewards are ever increasing. Darwin Motion presents DR Matrix series, our next generation of drives for industrial automation application, enabling more ambitious machines built on more capable performance and more confident engineering. Matrix 680 Compact Servo Drive with the range of 0.75 kW to 560 kW, packed with the advanced features like LED display and communication technology like Profinet, Profibus, EtherCAT, CAN Open and Modbus RTU. High frequency options up to 1000 Hz and 60,000 RPM. Heavy load application at 150% for 60 seconds. Built-in PLC for speed. Automatic voltage regulation. Feedback option, HTL, TTL, Syncos, Resolver. 6 digital inputs, 1 high-speed input, 2 analog input, 1 high-speed output, 2 analog output, 3 relay output, 3 digital output, secured with IP41, IP20 protection. Designed for injection molding, winder, rotary shear, and all types of loop and closed application. Matrix 190 heavy-duty drives with vector control, VF control, SVC, and torque control. Inbuilt DBR up to 22 kilowatts. Equipped with Modbus RTU for better communication. 10 degree to 50 degree flying start for smooth acceleration and quick start. Packed with advanced features like slip and torque compensation, PID control, torque detection. Specially designed for pumps, blower, agitator, crane and all types of open loop application. With the Matrix series, customers in India can now embark on more productive use of energy and leverage the benefits of its user-friendly features.